Yes. Uh-huh. I understand. Yeah, I'm just finishing the installation for Big Insights version 4.2. I have the IOP up and running, and I just need to configure a couple of things to add in the Big Insights value add. Yes, we will start working on the next Big Data Do's episode ASAP. We have a great idea for it. Whew. Actually, we don't have any ideas. Let me call Aaron.
Henry, what's happening, buddy?
Hey Aaron, what are you working on right now?
Streams in the cloud.
You're at the pool again, aren't you?
There's no pools in Vermont, just snow. So what's shaking?
Anyway, the boss is pushing us to get our next Big Data Do's episode out. Any ideas on what we could do?
Why don't we just have our interns come up with the idea?
I don't know. I mean, one of them got caught messing around with this new Pokemon Go game. And I tell them all the time to stop slacking and get to work. Maybe a new assignment is just what they need. Let's call him. Hey Daniel, Kevin,
Hey Henry.
we have a project for you guys. We'd like you to come up with the next topic for the next Big Data Do's episode. Pick a topic that has to do with big data and prepare it for us for our next call.
Sure, Henry. We'll get working on that right away.
Guys, whichever one of you slackers has been hunting Pokemon all the time, quit it. You're gonna get us all fired and get to work.
It was one time, alright? We'll get work on this right now.
I don't know what they'll come up with, but it better be good.
And Henry Watch are the Big Data Dudes.
Come in.
Hey Daniel,
Yes, Kevin.
I got this really awesome thing to show you.
No, Kevin, I don't have time for this. I'm working on big data right now.
But Daniel, it is about big data.
Now you have my attention. What is it?
It's Pokemon Go.
I don't have time for your jokes. I'm getting back to my big data.
Daniel, I'm serious. Pokemon Go is about big data.
Hey, Kevin, tell me what Pokemon Go has to do with this. Okay, stop wasting my time.
Just go to the Play Store and you'll see. It has over 50 million downloads already.
Alright, fine, Kevin. I'll see for myself.
Oh my god, you're right. It really does have 50 million downloads. What was this company called Niantic? I've never heard of it before. How could it be so popular?
Let me tell you a bit about this game. A Google alum by the name of John Hank founded Niantic. He was one of the key founders of Keyhole, which Google acquired to start Google Earth. He also contributed to Google Maps before forming Niantic.
Why does it seem so important that the founder worked on Google Maps and Google Earth? What does that have to do with this game?
Just download it, and let's Pokemon Go.
Where are we?
We're outside, because there's a lot of walking to be done. But first, let's get you started. So as Daniel's getting started with Pokemon Go, we'll roll out some more facts. Pokemon Go has become the fastest game to top the App Store and Google Play Store with over 20 million daily active users in the US alone. It took Pokemon Go only 19 days to pass over 50 million downloads. It is estimated that Pokemon Go generates 10 million US dollars each day and 160 million in revenue as of August 2nd. Pokemon Go's maps and landmarks are based off of crowdsourced data from Ingress, which is another augmented reality app developed by Niantic. Geospatial data is very important, as it's used to figure out accessible locations that people want to go before placing their Pokestops and Pokegyms. This is a large contribution to the game's success.
Now that you customize your character, look how Pokemon Go integrates maps into an augmented reality style game.
So that's why you told me about the creator and his affiliation with Google Maps.
Yeah, try catching one.
Alright. Yeah, I caught it. This is pretty fun.
Yeah, and that's why it has even surpassed WhatsApp, Snapchat, and Instagram in time spent daily.
Now that's what I call big data.
It even incorporates data on climate, roadways, and urban mappings to determine where certain Pokemon should appear.
So since it uses real maps, what happens if it sends me to the middle of a restaurant?
Animated explanations. The effects of Pokemon Go on businesses.
So here we have a business, and here we have a Pokestop and gym that is located at the business. Since Pokemon Go players can get rewards for stopping at Pokestops or fighting at gyms, they will be attracted to the business's location. This increases the exposure of the business along with profits. Also, by using lures on Pokestops, Pokemon will show up more frequently around it. Businesses can take advantage of this by purchasing and using lures on Pokestops near their business.
Well, that's another bonus for businesses, right? Businesses can use Pokestops and lures to bring in more potential customers. The more exposure, the better.
Yeah, I bet the user locations and movement patterns generate big data too.
Even IBM Watson's getting involved in Pokemon Go.
How so?
Animated explanations. What's an API in Pokemon Go?
So here we have the Watson API. Watson tracks Pokemon by taking a bunch of screenshots, like this one here. It feeds all these screenshots into an image recognition software. Then, after a Pokemon is found, it sends an alert about the location to your device.
Watson can track and compile Pokemon data from around the world, so that you can find specific Pokemon that you want.
That's cool.
Yeah, so let's go catch some Pokemon.
Where's Daniel?
What?
Daniel, what are you doing? I'm playing Pokemon. I mean, I'm generating big data.
Just calling to see if you have any new topic ideas for the next Big Data Dudes episode.
I got a great idea for the next Big Data Dudes episode. It's hold on.
Guys, whichever one of you slackers has been hunting Pokemon all the time, quit it. You're gonna get us all fired and get to work.
Actually, we don't got anything right now.